Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 22nd May 2024, Nifty index opened negative and witnessed buying interest right from the initial tick as a smart recovery of 150 points was seen from its lower levels. It has been continuously forming higher highs from the last 6 sessions and trading in an upward sloping channel, holding well above its 50 daily exponential moving average. India VIX was up by another 6% to 21.8. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.15. Volatility is still hovering at its 19-month high and created swings in the market. And this, along with the cool-off in the put-call ratio, indicates that there was respite to the bulls at lower levels. VIX needs to fall below 16 to 18 zones for stability and a smoother ride in the market. Volatility is increasing ahead of the election phases, which could cause a bumpy ride for the time being. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,000 to 23,000, while immediate range is in between 22,300 to 22,700. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,875 crores, while DIIs were net buyers worth 3,549 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 32%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,400 for an up move towards 22,650, then 22,794, whereas supports are shifting higher at 22,400, then 22,300. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 48,000 for an up move towards 48,500, then 48,888, whereas on the downside, support is seen at 47,777, then 47,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in defense, shipping, energy, capital goods, and auto space. Stocks to keep on radar, BEL and HAL from the defense space, which has shown momentum after the consolidation breakout. IRCTC, RVNL, IRCON, and IRFC, all from the railway stocks which are on the right track. Adding to this, Cochin Shipyard and Massdock, which are from the shipping space and are in complete focus. SBI and Indian Bank from the PSU stocks, which are on radar. ABB from the capital goods space, which continues to be strong. Hindalco, Tata Steel, Vedanta, and Coal India from the metal and mining stocks, which are shining in action. Oro Pharma and Glenmark, which are also seeing momentum from the pharma names. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.